In a world where technology is rapidly evolving, the US military is preparing to unleash something that sounds like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie: a new robotic army. But these robots are not just for show, they are here to change the battlefield and save lives. It all starts with a robot known as the Bear. Developed by VCNA Technologies, this robot was originally designed to help rescue wounded soldiers in combat zones. But the Bear can do much more than just that. It has the strength to lift up to 270 kilograms, and using high-powered hydraulic drives, it can carry that weight over long distances without tiring. What makes this robot even more remarkable is its ability to navigate rough terrain thanks to its special tracks. These tracks allow it to climb over obstacles like rocks or rubble with ease. The Bear can even operate in the dark, as it's equipped with infrared night vision, optical cameras, and a microphone to hear its surroundings. In the early versions of the Bear, a human operator would control the robot remotely, guiding it to different locations or to pick up heavy objects. But as technology improved, the Bear became smarter. Its artificial intelligence evolved so that now it can receive higher-level commands like "go to this spot" or "pick up that box" on its own. If the robot can't complete a task, it asks the operator for help. This makes it much more independent and useful in combat zones where time is critical. Another fascinating development is the Ghost Robotics V60, a four-legged robot built for both defense and everyday use. Weighing just 51 kilograms, the V60 is small yet mighty. It can carry up to 10 kilograms of equipment, and its design allows it to adapt quickly to different environments. Whether it's snowy fields or rocky mountains, the V60 can adjust to new challenges. This robot can walk at 3 meters per second and even run for up to 3 hours or travel 10 kilometers on a single charge. Its 360-degree cameras offer exceptional situational awareness, ensuring it can plan and execute its missions effectively. It's like having a soldier who never gets tired and can see everything around them at all times. But not all robots are built for long-distance missions. Some are designed for more precise tasks, like reconnaissance. The US Army has teamed up with various industrial companies to create autonomous mini-robots specifically for urban environments, mountains, and caves. One of the most intriguing robots in this line is the Autonomous Reconnaissance Spider Robot. This small robot is equipped with a variety of sensors, allowing it to navigate obstacles and gather information in dangerous situations, without putting human lives at risk. It can even use thermal cameras to help detect hidden threats in dark, enclosed spaces. These robots will help soldiers collect vital intelligence without having to enter hostile areas themselves. Then, there's the Guardbot, a unique drone that can operate on both land and water. Imagine a robot that can move across rough terrain and then transition to water without missing a beat. The Guardbot was specifically built for surveillance and detecting explosives. It has cameras and sensors all around its spherical body, and it can move silently through the environment, making it perfect for covert operations. Last year, the Guardbot was tested in both water and on land, and it passed with flying colors. Whether it's gliding through water at 6.5 km or speeding across land at up to 35 km/h, it can handle a wide range of tasks, including identifying dangerous objects using its onboard laser. But it doesn't stop there. One of the most exciting developments is the exoskeleton created by Saros Robotics. Known as the Guardian XO, this powerful robotic suit allows soldiers to carry heavy loads with ease. The exoskeleton can support up to 90 kilograms, but to the person wearing it, it feels as light as 5 kilograms. This technology could dramatically increase a soldier's strength and endurance, making them far more effective in the field. The Guardian XO is equipped with 24 degrees of freedom, allowing for natural movement, and can help carry out a variety of tasks with minimal effort from the wearer. The exoskeleton can also be quickly put on and activated, and learning to use it takes just a few minutes. The Guardian XO could one day be used for everything from carrying supplies to performing rescues, all while reducing the physical strain on soldiers. When it comes to robotic load carriers, Big Dog from Boston Dynamics stands out. This robot was built to help transport heavy loads over rough, uneven terrain. The Big Dog is a four-legged robot that can carry significant weight and maintain stability even when moving across rocky ground or snow. With its 50 sensors, Big Dog can adjust its movements to keep its balance, ensuring that it doesn't fall over while traversing tough obstacles. This robot is designed to be the ultimate support system in areas where other vehicles can't go. It can carry gear, medical supplies, or even weapons to soldiers in remote locations. The US military is also investing in the future of combat robots like the Eagle Prime, a giant combat robot built by Megabots. This 12-ton machine stands 5 meters tall and is equipped with a cannon and a claw. While originally created for entertainment purposes, the military quickly recognized its potential and began looking into how such machines could be used in real-life combat situations. The Eagle Prime is propelled by a powerful V8 engine, and although it's not yet in active service, it could one day become a key part of future combat operations. Another key addition to the military's robotic arsenal is the Flur Cobra robotic system. Weighing in at 166 kilograms, the Flur Cobra is designed for missions like explosive detection and bomb disposal. It's equipped with high-definition cameras and can be used to safely identify hazardous materials from a distance. The Flur Cobra is also capable of performing persistent surveillance, which is crucial in detecting potential threats before they become serious problems. In addition to these advanced robots, the US military has also developed the T360 M2M, a versatile tracked robot that can carry out a variety of tasks. From reconnaissance to drone launches, the T360 M2M is a multifunctional platform capable of supporting a range of military operations. It has a payload capacity of 433 kilograms and can operate autonomously for up to 72 hours. This robot is designed to assist in a wide range of military activities, including the transportation of injured soldiers and the launch of surveillance drones. As the US military continues to develop these advanced robots, one thing is clear: the future of warfare is changing. Robots like the Bear, Guardbot, and Big Dog are just the beginning. As technology advances, these machines will only get smarter, faster, and more capable of handling a wider variety of tasks. In the near future, we may see entire robotic armies working alongside soldiers in combat zones, revolutionizing the way wars are fought and making the battlefield safer for human soldiers. As we move into this new era of military technology, the question remains: how will these robots change the way we fight and protect our countries? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest in military tech.